Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a Husqvarna lawn tractor here. It needs the deck belt replaced. Customer has popped the belt off. I looked at it. It's got a few nicks in it, so I'm going to replace it. I'm going to do this repair here the way it is in the driveway because most of you guys watching today are homeowners doing this. You can do it without removing the deck at all. You don't need any special tools to do this. Just grab your belt and I'll give you the part numbers as well in this video. So this Husqvarna lawn tractor here is the YTH22K42. This one has an electric PTO, so it will be different than the machines that engage manually. Now, if you're wondering what the part number is for your belt of your machine, usually there is a label here that you can come and look at the part numbers. This one here is 532144959. One tip I want to let you guys know, you cannot always rely on these part numbers. I've gotten the belts here from these part numbers here before and they were wrong. So always double check. I always double check before I install the belt that I got to make sure it's the right one. If those are the wrong numbers, you need to come under the seat and grab the model number and do a search online for the correct belt. On this machine here, it is part number 532144959 as shown in the sticker. I'll double check that when I have the old one off. I like to use the genuine belts because nowadays it's hard to get good aftermarket belts. To start with, make sure the deck is at its lowest. I won't be using any special tools or any special lifts for this, and I am not removing the deck today. You can remove it if you want, but you will still have to get under there after to get it to the pulley on the engine. All right, so I brought it in the shop to be in the shade here. I will show you the belt under here. You can see the belt is off the pulleys. It actually popped off the engine pulley right here. It does have an electric PTO. This machine will be easy to replace the belt here. Just get the belt right out. There'll be a small tab under this pulley here, which is easily bendable. No bolts to remove like on some other machines. And when you go to put in the new belt, this one has a configuration right on the deck. Sometimes that configuration can be under here. If you cannot find the configuration and you're not sure, just do a part search online. There's usually diagrams showing you the configuration. So I'm going to look at this again before I put it on. Simple, this one here. And that's how I'm going to route it back on the deck. Okay guys, so I talked about comparing the belts before you install it because the number inside here is not always correct inside the hood. So 144959 was the part number. I'm comparing it and it is accurate. So the label inside the hood on this one was accurate. And I'm just going to proceed to install this belt. Okay, so I'm gonna get down here. And again, guys, usually I would jack up the machine to do this on my lift, but because most of you guys watching don't have that, I'm trying to do this as natural as I can, as if the homeowner was doing this. So I'm going to look at my label here. This belt goes here, and then I go all the way back to the other side, and then grab the belt, roll it around here. And now I've got to go all the way to the pulley here. So what I'll do is I'll get you an angle from the other side. Okay, so grab your belt here. And the tabs on this pulley here, again, guys, you can bend it. You can bend them. So get your belt behind here. And because this one is an electric PTO, it will be spring-loaded. So this part here is spring-loaded so that the belt is always tight. Now I gotta grab the end of my belt here and I will just pull it and put it on this pulley here, which is on the engine. And then if you come back here, this pulley will move. Now I find it easier just to pull on the belt, stick it on the pulley, than to disconnect the spring right here. I'm just gonna do it all in one shot. So when you grab the belt, it's going to be spring-loaded, and then you want to just pull it and get it on the pulley. Watch your fingers. The pulley will turn And there you go, belt is on correctly. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, guys, is start it up, do a quick test of the deck here with the PTO. Alright guys, it all runs good, belt didn't come off. Hopefully the video has helped you guys. The part number for the belt is in the video description. Have a great day, guys.